Store no more. I got my own papers, baby girl. Finna get my own weed too. Get you a pound, let you roll that shit. I'm rolling up the windows while I'm smoking weed. Driving through my town like I don't know the speed. Counting so much paper I can't fold it up. Bad bitch, she suck me while I'm rolling up. Yeah, bitch, you probably see me everywhere. Money long, now my house got TVs everywhere. Literally everywhere you turn, you see a flat screen. New bitch, look nothing like my last fling. Riding in the Maserati, nigga, no shirt. Niggas probably hating on me, but it won't work. Camo shorts on like a general. Mind on a meal, blowing on medicinal. Every nigga town never had a problem. Young millionaire, never had a job though. Blow that money up and watch her hit the ground. As long as your money up, she said it's going down. Brought her home, girl said that she don't do friends. Kick the bitch out and make her find new friends. Should I get hella high, buy some new rims? 745 or a new Benz. I take every day and live like it's the weekend. Doing it all, if you ain't ballin', take a seat then. If I said it, I meant it. Throw a stack at that bitch ass, let her pay rent with it.
I'm here to let y'all niggas know. The M stand for menace, man. Like I was Dennis, but I'm E, which is excellent. Ever since I stepped in the game, the M thought I told all of you niggas that I'm from Memphis, man. The P is for penmanship, pistol with both of them hit your brain. H to you hating ass niggas that wanna diss the name. I press the issue, my chopper kick like jujitsu, man. The S stand for shogun, don't know one word, here's one in the flesh. Show up like let's go, hope you got a gun and came with the best. Roll up to your hoe, she like where you from, then I send her address. Soldier from the north side, MEMPHIS, North Memphis, Southwest, Wood, Orange, Mound, queer to you lame ass haters that think that I'm not from around here. Lived in Germantown and in College Park, had a house near Fraser Rays. I let the haters hate, they would get clown here. By my hoe, Kimbo can get both by big old pistol grips. Try my hoe, click hoe, get split open like a swisher, bitch. Most y'all hate me, cause y'all know y'all ain't me. I was skinny like a hoe and now I'm swole like Zangief. I think it's funny how these sissies say they know who raised me. Ask Chat GPT, Tennessee where my gang be. Don't know me, let me show you. I'm an OG on the Pro Tools. Don't get your ass beat like Vegeta, I'm Goku. Are you very, very dumb or you had just have no clue? Let me tell you where I'm from, let me spell it out for you. The M stand for menace, man. Like I was Dennis, but I'm E, which is excellent. Ever since I stepped in the game, the M thought I told all of you niggas that I'm from Memphis, man. The P is for penmanship, pistol with both of them hit your brain. H to you hating ass niggas that wanna diss the name. I press the issue, my chopper kick like jujitsu, man. The S stand for shogun, don't know one word, here's one in the flesh. Show up like let's go, hope you got a gun and can't win the best.
Welcome to the Chop Street, dead bodies hanging by their feet. You see this demon when I walk, you hear this evil when I speak. Mark of the beast, when I weep, I claim your soul is mine to keep. And in the middle of the night, I'm looking for some blood to leech. Catch your throat, missing fresh blood, spitting out your teeth. But I still practice what I preach. Give this family time to weep. I'm at the crossroads, you make a deal, I got just what you need. But just know when sacrifice your bitch. We bout to sacrifice your bitch. Sacrifice your bitch. We bout to sacrifice your bitch. Sacrifice